Welcome to 3563 Evelynton Lane in Lewis Center, Ohio. We're going to take a look at a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. Walking in the front door is a beautiful entryway. First thing you notice is the beautiful hardwood floors. To the left of the front door, there is a great office space, which has double doors, so you can close that off for privacy. Across from the office space is the kitchen with beautiful stainless steel appliances, built-in microwave, nice dark cabinets. There's also a very large pantry we'll take a look at. Nice walk-in pantry. Walking through the kitchen, there is a really nice eating space. Large table will fit here, could easily seat 6 or 8 people. The dining room and kitchen open right into the family room, the heart of this home. The family room has a beautiful fireplace, and it's a gas fireplace, so all you have to do is flip a switch and it's on. Beside each sides of the fireplace, there are built-in bookshelves that go all the way up, so you can display some nice artwork. I'm going to walk into the master bedroom. Nice size master bedroom. Has a really nice tray ceiling fan. And from the master bedroom, we walk into the master bath. Double vanity. Stand-up shower, and there is a separate room for the toilet. There's also a walk-in closet in the master bath that does have the Alpha shelf system, which is staying. Walk out of the master bedroom back into the family room. And on the other side of the family room is the second bedroom. This is a great setup for a roommate situation. This is the second bedroom. Again, nice size, tall ceilings in this condo. And another ceiling fan in here. And then right beside this bedroom is a full bath with tub and shower combo and a nice large vanity. And beside the bathroom, there is a laundry room. Washer and dryer are included. And beyond that door is a 2-car garage. So you can drive right into your garage and walk right into your house. This is all first floor, so there are no stairs. There is also some nice light from some big windows. And this is a patio out back where you can have a grill, some chairs, table. And these windows offer a lot of nice light. So again, 3563 Evelynton, 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, little over 1,400 square feet. Thank you.